All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So, Gearbest is still having this great sale on some of their phones. So I wanted to put up another video letting you guys know these are some of my top picks for phones that I've gotten from Gearbest and that I have currently right now. So the first phone is the Xiaomi Mi Max 2. This phone is actually really solid. It's a global phone. You get 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs onboard storage. You get the also famous Snapdragon 625. I mean, this is a massive device. This phone, I've already confirmed it works in the US with T-Mobile, Cricket, AT&T, Simple Mobile, all the little GSM providers that you can think of. Some people get mixed up on these bands here. The site doesn't list all of the bands that it actually has, but you will get good service in the US. Depending on where you live, you should get pretty decent service. Everybody that I know who has this phone that doesn't live anywhere near me has pretty great service. I mean, Atlanta, Michigan, just different places. So this phone right here has a 6.44 inch display, and it is absolutely awesome. It's updated to the latest version of MIUI. And it is just a solid performer. I mean, if you like a big phone with great cameras, it's just a good experience. I think Xiaomi is doing very well with their phones. So this is a big boy right here. But I want to switch over to the Redmi V Plus. This is another device that I do have. And this one's currently on sale for 14% off. Be sure to check the links in the description for all of these devices. I would definitely recommend this phone because it employs the same 4 gigs, 64 gigs, great camera on here, and it definitely too works in the US. Now it does have the same internals pretty much with the Snapdragon 625. I mean, that's just a tried and true processor, and I think you guys will really enjoy this device because it employs that 18:9 ratio, which is where the industry has gone, and it doesn't look like it's turning back anytime soon. So this phone right here is another great grab that I would buy, especially for $189. I mean, this is just a steal of a device. Beautiful screen, great cameras, great front camera. All of these phones that I'm going to list here have great cameras. I mean, they have just fantastic. It's a fantastic setup. So you can't go wrong with either one of these 3 devices that I'm showing you here. So this is the second pick here. The Mi Max 2 was kind of my third pick. This is my second pick. But my number 1 pick that you should grab from Gearbest right now while they're having promotions is the Xiaomi Mi A1, the global edition, which is the Android One version. And you just need to, this is such a good phone. It's just unreal. I mean, there's way too many things to love about this phone. The cameras, it's stock Android, it's on the latest Android OS. The updates come directly from Google. It's a great size. It still has a 16:9 ratio. Fantastic battery life on all 3 of these phones. I mean, they are all just really good. Now, the crazy part is they're all Xiaomi phones, and I didn't do that intentionally, but I have about 5 Xiaomi phones, and they just make good products. So you better hurry because this one they only have 25 of the black ones left. Looks like the gold ones, they've got 274 of those. The red ones definitely probably not on. Yeah, you can't find the red ones. And the rose gold is actually sold out. You can find it for $229 here. So it's your man Jay Will. Be sure, and I do have the rose gold Xiaomi Mi A1, and I got a red one as well. So be sure to check the links in the description, and just head over to Gearbest.com for any of the devices that I review on my channel. Pretty much, I'll let you know if they're from Gearbest. But they have a great sale going on right now. So hit the links in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Gearbest 4th anniversary.